Hi guys, good morning. It's maintenance vlog o'clock. I'm gonna get myself ready for the month. Today's what? Yeah, I'm gonna get myself ready. I'm gonna do my lashes, my nails, and probably my hair. Right? I'm trying to look like this because I'm late. Right? My ride is downstairs already, so if I don't do this intro now, I'm not able to do it again. So yeah, let's go and get myself ready for the new month. So I'm going to do my nails and my lashes on the island. So I'll go with my husband. He's currently on his way to Lekki, so I just tag along. If you know what I mean. I'm happy everything. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this vlog. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, thank you for always stopping by, and if it's your first time here, you're super welcome. Do well to join the family. Okay, click on the red subscribe button below and turn on post notification so you get notified every time I upload new videos on here, which is every day at 6 p.m. I'm Chinonso Okoronkwo, a bridal hairstylist, makeup artist, and fashion entrepreneur based in Lagos, Nigeria. Alright, and on this channel I film about everything beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Okay, so our first stop for today, like I said before, I hopped on this ride with my husband. He was on a is it measurement appointment, I'll call it. Yeah, a client that couldn't come down to our store. Right, for those who don't know, our fashion store is located in Ogudu Road. Okay, so this particular client lives on the island and couldn't come all the way down to our store, and we had to go to his house to do his measurements. Right, that's one sweet thing about our fashion brand, is that even if you can't come down to our studio to get your measurements done, we can always drive down to you to get your perfect measurement. Okay, anyways, we're done with our client and I stopped by Flawless Faces by Jane to get some hair extension. Flawless Faces by Jane. I think their door used to be here. No, I'm going into it. This way, ma'am. This way from here. Oh, the lighting in this place is so fine. In case you see my hair extension at the end of this vlog and you like it and you're interested in getting yours, because I mean I've gotten a lot of compliments on this hair, a lot of people asking me where I got it from, I'm telling you, it's simple and really cute. All right, I got my hair from Lux Braids, and Lux Braid is owned by Jane. Jane is a beauty and fashion person. All right, she has her building in Adebayo Doherty in inside Admiralty. All right, Lekki Phase 1. Yeah, so she has like a beauty salon, you know, a fashion store, this area where they sell bags and the extensions, and then she also has where they do like microblading, lash extensions, and guys, it's a one-stop beauty and fashion house. That's all I can say. Okay, yeah, I got my extension and then I hit the road. Okay, now that we've bought the hair, let's now get this maintenance vlog started proper. Okay, so first of all I'm going to do my lashes, then I'll do my nails, then I'll wash my hair, do my ponytails. I feel like doing ponytails, right? Hence why the hair. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Did a quick stop at the restaurant to have lunch, okay, because it's about to be a long day. I had coconut rice and protein, same with my husband as well. And then I got my nails done and then I got my hands done. I couldn't vlog so much because it was really noisy here. Hi guys, good morning. The next day, guys, I couldn't come to show you guys because I came back pretty late yesterday. I was home at past 8 and I was really tired, right? But yeah, the next morning, and this is what my lashes looks like. I would say that I'm not really fascinated about it. Like, it's just there. I haven't really gotten what I like as per lash tech, right? I've been trying a couple, and I'm not sure I like what I like. I am getting, it's not bad, right? But it's not giving me that perfect look that I want to have. This girl did my lashes last year, July. That was the last time she did my lashes. She's on the island, by the way, and it was nice. That's why I went back there today, yesterday. But I don't understand these lashes. It's not bad, right? It's not bad, but it's not giving. It's not giving. I'm still trying to explore affordable options before I, pot. Because one thing about me, I don't mind spending a lot of money as far as I get what I'm satisfied with. So I'm not that kind of person who is comfortable and has settled to spend little money because his service is cheap and it's not great. If it's not great, I will move away, right? I would rather spend so much on something that is really good, right? So that's what I'm at right now. I'm just trying to explore the affordable options I have. Once I don't get it, I don't mind doing my lashes in a place like Lifa Beauty Hub or Flawless Faces by Jen. They are pretty expensive, but they will give me what I'm looking for. So yeah, this lashes cost me 15,000 naira. According to her, she said this is volume cat eye. No, there's nothing volume about this one actually, because after this one is mega volume and it's giving me like classic, a little bit fuller I think than classic, just on the ends anyways. But yeah, I don't like it, but I'm stuck with it at least for the next over 1 month, going to 2 or 3 months, because I know that this particular babe, her lashes last so much. Like, it lasts so well. Okay, it lasts so well. Last time she did, I carried it till it was over 2 months. So yeah, I'm going to just have to do this. And these are my nails, right? It's not bad, but I'm not crazy about it again. I don't know, because I'm a red nails girly. If you know, you know. If you know me on this channel, you know that I love red nails. I would have wanted it long, but I'm still getting used to working with long nails. So I'm going to try to get used to short nails first, and then I'll work my way up the length. Okay, so I think I prefer these plain ones to this one that has design, because the inspiration of this nail is actually long. I'm going to leave the inspiration here. So because it is long, the details was very obvious. Like this one now, if it was up to this length, you would have seen more of that red color, right? This one, you would have seen the distance between the two red lines, and it would have really given a beautiful, appearance. But because it's short, it's not really obvious. This is not bad though, right? These are the short styles of nails I see people wear, and it's nice. But because I wanted something that showed a lot more red, this is not given at this time based on how I'm feeling. If I'd known, I would have done like all round red. I almost went there today to go and ask her to change everything to red nails, but I don't have that time. Let me not even set myself up for stress. I don't have that time. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I did this one 15. I did this for 7,000, and I did my toenail. I painted red gel polish for 2,000 naira. So yeah, that's like 20 something K. So this morning, say around 11 a.m., I'm going to go ahead and loosen my hair and wash it in a salon, because I forgot to wash it myself yesterday. I would have done that yesterday, wash it myself before I did these lashes, because I mean, I'm not supposed to have water on it for the first 24 to 48 hours just so it lasts long. So I can't pour water like this, right? So I'm gonna go sit on a basin in the salon and do loosen my hair, wash it, because I need to do like a ponytail. To be honest, I'm not sure what ponytail I want, because I'm going out today, right? So I really want to do a ponytail. I don't know if I'm going to do like a low slick pony and then just have a tiny thing going on at the back, those sleek simple hairstyles. That's what I'm feeling. actually. But because I was around Lux, I was around Fearless Faces by Jane Studio yesterday. That's on the island. What was that street again? Adebayo Doherty. Yeah. I decided to stop by to buy this one. I've been wanting to buy this actually, but just the time to, I didn't want to pay for delivery. I wanted a situation where I was on the island, so I just used the opportunity to just pick it up. And that opportunity presented itself yesterday. So yeah, I was able to get this their short flip ponytail that I've always wanted to buy. Right. I went with 1B black because my hair is black. I don't want to take brown and then my hair is black and then the extension is brown. No, I always like for my extension and my hair to be the same color. That's why I took this one. So it's like a flip. Don't worry guys, I'll show you guys by the time let me just show you. It's already out. So it's those them flip extension, like I clip it in and then it just flips. So if I'm being very honest, I'm not sure of what I'm going to wear this evening, if it's this style or if it's the other one I just described, but time will tell. Anyways, I'm going to have a gel pack in for say 2 weeks, right? And then I'll braid my hair. I really want to do like a simple braid this month. I don't want anything that will stress me, right? And I want to take a braid off. I want to take a break off wigs. I've been wearing wigs back to back for months now. Is it up to months? Yeah, for months. The last braid I did was last year. Your face is not shiny, don't worry.
No, okay.
I made sure. Oh shit, come on now. Destiny about y'all. See our face. Oh my god. From her mouth to Destiny Helper's ears. Very bold young lady. She said, please don't hide my face. Let my Destiny Helper see me. You guys, please excuse their eyebrows. I walked in on them trying to practice their makeup skill on each other. Hence why you see that they have brows and concealers that are not well blended. Anyways, I finished loosening my hair and then I'm washing it. Okay, this auntie did a great job. Like this was the scrubbing I never thought I needed. Okay, she scrubbed my hair real good, washed it clean, and gave me a good blow dry. Right, then she just helped me pack it up in a bun, which made my ponytail application very easy. I just go back home, apply some gel and attach extension. You guys, so this is my hair. Something very quick and easy. Okay, I'm gonna have this on for like 1 week, then I'll braid my hair. Right, I'm gonna do like a big braid that I can just wear like that. A quick plug-in, you guys. My really comfortable and very gorgeous two-piece linen set is by our fashion brand, okay, at McFranklin_Africa on Instagram. We previously used to be McFranklin_lifestyle, but Instagram deactivated our account. Okay, just in case you get to Instagram and you see that we have, you know, few pictures and videos and few followers, don't get scared. We are not scam, okay? Yeah, so we have this available in different colors and different sizes. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, please shoot us a DM on Instagram, okay? So yeah, thanks so much for watching this vlog. Please go ahead and click the like button, all right? And subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. I'm rushing because I'm going to church. I'm almost late. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.